Hi, professionals and students. Let's welcome back another important session. Let's kick up the session. So, what is the topic today? Must you before your first attempt of your certification? My experience with SAP certification for S4 HANA sales. Both will be included. Okay. So let's try to check. Lift yourself. Let me try to help you out. Okay, regarding this. What exactly this SAP certification? Okay, so like not only for SAP, if you go for any technology like Java, .NET, or any middleware also. So like they will provide certification. That means you are authorized consultant. You will have an option to open work for job. Okay, that is one of the option, but it's not mandatory, but it has its own importance when you are moving from one company to another company. Like so you will have a little 1% extra recognition. Suppose if you feel that you are recognized by your skills and work experience 99%, 1% additionally you will be recognized. But as I told you already, I have explained in my previous video, if you are in on-site, definitely it will has an edge, no doubt. Okay, and you are particularly looking for certain projects and your certification, sometimes it might be helpful. Okay, so let's see this today. So the exam duration is 180 minutes. It's exactly 3 hours. Okay, you have to spend, and you can finish as early as possible also. I have finished my first certification in 17 minutes, 17 to 18 minutes. Second is almost around 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, I have done 2 certification as per HANA Sales 2021 and 2022. It's not a big deal, you can handle it. Total questions will be 80, and all are the multiple questions. No worry, you need not write anything, you need not type anything. Okay, no negative marking. This is the big advantage in this certification, but you should be careful to choose your options. Pass percentage will be vary 61 to 65. I am specific about. So when I write my examination, that is some 62% for 2022 S4 HANA. So certain times it is 64%. I'm going to write one more examination, that is might be vary 67%. Okay. If the certification is getting older, the percentage will be reduced. That is what one thing I found out of my experience. It can be the same also. Okay, don't worry, you can pass. One question at one time for a single screen. That means once you started examination, okay, you will have a screen. Only one question with multiple options will appear. Okay, so you can go to the you can choose the option, go to the next if it is wrong also, and you can come back. That is different story. Okay, once exam starts, timer will be on your screen. Okay, that will count the time of this 180 minutes. No worries, everything is transparent. You can move forward and backward. Okay, for example, you have chosen you have chosen wrong option. You can come back and recheck, and you can do the reassess, and then only finally you can able to submit. You can submit that option also there. If you are confident then, and if you are negligent then you can go ahead and submit. It depends on the result, how you chosen the right answers or correct answers. But I have done very fast. Don't do this thing. So I have my experience more than around 11 years of experience, almost 11 years real-time experience across various projects. For me, certification is just like that. Even you can also do that. It's not a big deal. But take your time and choose correct options. Otherwise, your attempt will be wasted. Then your money will be devastated. Okay. Once submit, you cannot change. Once you submitted all answers, okay, either 20 minutes or 3 hours you have taken, you submitted, you cannot able to change. Multiple option questions with single selection option, button type selection will be there. For example, 5 options will be there. Option button, right? Like you can able to choose it. And tick box selection also will be there, so that you can able to tick multiple answers. Multiple answers like ABCD, that means 4 multiple choices they have given, out of which you can choose one or multiple, or else sometime ABCD 5 they can give. Certain times what happens, only one answer will be wrong. Okay. See, the assessment will be like, it is your analysis of the subject actually. So that's why, suppose if you have 6 questions, you think that, 3 is correct. Another 2 also might be correct. So that, 5 will be correct. Sometimes 5 will be wrong, only 1 will be correct. Sometimes 3 will be correct. Certain times he will help you. The certification examination pattern, they will tell that only 2 correct answers, only 3 correct answers. Certain times they don't tell also. Okay. After submit, you can see the percentage of the, questions, how much you scored and total percentage also you can see, like, 61% or 62% or 40% fail or pass or something. It will come exactly on your screen. You can share your certification everywhere, like LinkedIn, Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, wherever you want. You can share it and you can keep in your resume. You can enjoy with your certification that has a validity of 5 years or something. That validity available in the certification. Sample question for you: how to prepare? This is the question for you. Okay. Before that, let me go back and show you in this site. So for example, list of valid certification, you can go to the site already. How to choose the certification, how many items that I have already explained in my previous video. Suppose you have all these are the list of certifications. So for example, anything you can take. I'm just see S4 HANA sales 2021 and 2022. Okay. If you would like to see the details, you can click here. Let's go to the view details here. So almost both will have the similar pattern. Don't worry. So let me click this. It's loading. Okay. So you can able to see this. The percentage now it is reduced to 1% as well. When I write that is somewhere around 62 or 64, it is there 80 questions, and it is available in different languages. So be careful to choose the language, and you have to choose the region. Okay. So before attempting your examination, okay, so let me show you here in this site what are all things upon attempt. So you have to choose your country and you have to choose your time zone also. It is very, very important. I have already done one video, dedicated video regarding this, and you have to choose your language. So what kind of questions, topics and areas will be covered? That will be like this: organization structure 18 to 12% and cross functionals and business processes, customizing, shipping, master data. Okay. So actually what happens, you have to read this thoroughly. Okay, either one of it. That's what he is suggesting. Or else you can able to do that, like, you can outside for examination question papers will be available in internet somewhere. You can subscribe any one of the website and you can practice and you can pass examination. Don't take this much pressure. If you read this is also good actually. And there is something called learning hub available. Okay, depends. Suppose if you take 5 items, they will give the hub so that you can able to read and you can able to grasp the knowledge. This is how it happens. Okay. So what exactly I would like to tell you here. So I think this is fine. See, all certifications included subscriptions. Okay. So you have 2 items basically. So this is, so suppose if you pay this plus taxes, you can able to do 5 items so that you can able to write 1 or 2 certifications. If you are a beginner, then I would suggest this. If you are not beginner, then if you are so confident you can able to handle that, you can try this one. Okay. My certification, I got it free of cost through corporate. That is a different story. That's why I wrote very, very, very late. So this is the one. Okay. So now you can able to see. So this I will show you. Okay. Before that, let me come back. Okay. So you can able to read it. This is what it mentioned. It is not so clear about assessment, how it happens. So I'm asking you, if you are not yet subscribed, if you wanted to get valuable inputs from me, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. And finally, the thing is that if you would like to expertise practically, I have different courses. This is sales and distribution and 100 plus hours. And if you are not introduced to real time, you try idoc training. And it is very, very important to become a good functional consultant. And how to write functional specification. This is also very, very important. And pricing, you would like to see the depth in S4 HANA I have done. And with the additional standard depth concepts. And this is for your basics. So these are the two my top courses. You can try it. And for S4 HANA, if you want few concepts, don't waste thousands of rupees. You can try all these courses. So these rates varies day to day. So I have different courses, around 20 plus courses. If you really want, you can subscribe. So what you have to do is go to the Udemy site. You just type my name like this. You'll get everything from my side. Okay. And what's next? Let's come here. Sample question for you. Okay. So let's try to read this. So what exactly? Okay. For which master data you can reduce maintenance using common master data? See, you see this question, how you practice practical. Also, it is going to check you whether you know common master data. Common master data means he is giving just common master data means common distribution channels and common divisions. Here he has given two correct answers. Okay, so what you can able to do it? You have to choose carefully. Okay, so you can go indirect way also. Common master data means it is nowhere related to output master data. It fails. Next one is customer material info record, nowhere related to common master data. These two are wrong answers. If you know the right answer also, you will come here condition master data and customer master data. It will be it is going to reduce the maintenance. Either if you maintain one condition record for one particular distribution channel, it is you can able to extend the same for other distribution channels also. If you maintain the customer master data for one distribution channel, same thing will be extended to other customers, so that you can reduce the master data. This is how the practical ways your analysis, your certification questions will be like this. So I will try to show you in one of the video sample questions from the site, that also you can able to give a try. Okay, till the time, wish you all the best. And if you really wanted to learn the depth of the practicals, you can try my what I would say, I would recommend you can try all my courses. Okay, from Udemy, so that you can write your queries. So I'll give the guidance in the Udemy, the place where, or else in my YouTube channel. You can write your queries if you have any doubts related to career. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. What kind of videos you want it, that also you can tell that. Till then, sign off. Your friend Jagdish Kumar Raidu. Jai Bharat. Have a great day. I wish you all the best. Thank you.